चक्षुर्नैतन्येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशावृतस्य कृपा सिन्धुभैर्यः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम। कहाँ से पढ़ रहे थे, याद है?
17.
आदि विधान 17
2.
chapter.
Yeah. Text 222.
That is
222.
222.
24.
कल हम लोग काली उद्धार के बारे में हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे थे।
Yesterday we were listening about Kali. Kasi, sorry.
हम लोग श्रवण किया।
We heard yesterday
काली था, मुसलमान काली था।
the Muslim Qazi.
क्या कहें?
What did he say?
मेरे वंश में
In my ones means in my community.
ये आपको जो लोग आपके कीर्तन में
You are doing kirtan in my.
बाधा बनाते, बाधा डालेंगे।
You are putting restriction on the kirtan.
उसको मैं क्या करूँगा? तालाब दे दूँगा ने। तालाब क्या है?
Divorce.
डिवोर्स।
हाँ, talak means divorce.
डिवोर्स है कि डाइवोर्स है? वो बोलते हैं डाइवोर्स, वो बोलते हैं डिवोर्स।
Divorce.
वो बोलते हैं डाइवोर्स, वो बोलते हैं डिवोर्स।
Divorce. Divorce.
हाँ?
Divorce. स्पेलिंग क्या है? Divorce. Divorce.
डिवोर्स। उसको मैं टैग दे दूँगा। सुनी प्रभु हरि हरि बोल उठिला अपनी, उठिला वैष्णव सब करि हरि धनी। कीर्तन करिते प्रभु करिला गमन, संगे चली आइसी काली उल्लसित मन। काली रे विदाय दिल सचिदानंदन, नाची नाचिते आइल आपन भवन। এই মতে কালী রে প্রভু করিল প্রসাদ।
The Lord asked the Qazi to go back home. Then the son of Mother Sachi came back to his own home, dancing and dancing. So like this, Sachidananda Gaura Hari. And he said to Qazi, now we go back home. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and gave, was merciful to Qazi. Whoever listens to this katha, then all their offenses, they are freed from all their offenses.
नित्यानंद संगे नित्य करे दुई भाई, शिवासे पुत्रिता वैल परलो, प्रभु शिवासे चित्ते नाचे मींदो। मृत पुत्र मुखे कइल ज्ञानेर कथन, अपने दु भाई कइल शिवासनंदन। पवित्र करिला स भक्त बरी भक्त बलराम उच्चिष्ट ज्ञानवत नारायणी कोरिला सम्मान। अभी दूसरी प्रसंग कृष्णदास कविराज गोस्वामी
Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami
वर्णन कर रहे हैं
is speaking.
कि एक समय चैतन्य महाप्रभु
One time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, in the evening time, at night time,
के समय
it was some
लेकर के मध्य रात्रि तक
like midnight,
शिवाजी के गृह में
in Srivas Thakur's house, he was doing Nam Sankirtan.
और उस
He was
मध्य रात्रि
performing
में
Nam Sankirtan.
शिवाजी के पुत्र
At that time, Srivas Thakur's son left his body,
और शिवाजी तथा भी
and Srivas he still didn't cry.
संक्षेप में वर्णन हो रहा है।
In simple,
फिर जब महाप्रभु को पता लगा
when Mahaprabhu realized that, when he realized that the son has left the body,
और श्रीवास ठाकुर
and today, and Srivas Thakur is not even lamenting.
महाप्रभु
Then Mahaprabhu
श्रीवास
he said, "Hey Srivas,
इसके पुत्र मर जाए
if your son dies, then
और वो सब प्रकाश नहीं करे कैसे नहीं हो सकता?
it's not that you would not lament,
किंतु
but
तुमने सब
But
इसलिए
you-
प्रकाश नहीं किया, बस सब प्रकाश करने की भी नहीं दिया
because
मेरे
you,
कथा में कीर्तन में
in my
बाधा है।
yes, so they would, because you didn't say mention it, because there should be no bada, means no obstacle in Sankirtan. Sankirtan should continue.
और चैतन्य महाप्रभु
It shouldn't stop just because the son left his body.
आगाज दिया
That's what she was.
और रख के
At that,
बुलाया
then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
कहाँ चले गए क्या
called the son and said, "Where have you gone?"
अतः शिव जी के पुत्र कहने लगे,
The Srivasi's son started to speak.
आपके मुखार से नाम संकीर्तन
I was listening to your Nam Sankirtan, and I left my body.
है, सब कुछ करता है माने आप ही नियंता है और आप ही सब कुछ करना है।
You are the one who does everything.
प्रेम
You are the supreme personality, Godhead. Because of your desire, people, jivas take birth, and because of your desire, jivas die.
तो वो इच्छा मतो जीवे
So,
जन्म होता है। आपकी इच्छा के अनुसार जीव की जन्म और मृत्यु होता है।
because of your desire, the jivas are born and jivas die.
केवल इस संसार में आकर के
In this material world,
हम एक दूसरे की
we come,
माता पिता
we have
संबंध बना लेते हैं।
we have some relationship with the mother and
जीवात्मा
parents.
शुद्ध जीवात्मा जो है,
Actually, jiva atmas are suddha, they are pure and simple. They don't have any bandhan with Maya, attachment with Maya.
इस शरीर में आकर के
As soon as they get the body, soon they get the body, they get abhiman, they have ego.
मैं स्त्री हूँ, मैं
I am lady, I am a man. So that is our abhiman.
मैं पंडित
I am pandit, I am a very educated person.
यहाँ तक भी मैं सुखी हूँ, मैं दुखी हूँ, मैं
I am hurt, I am suffering, I am happiness, I am happy.
मैं फलाना व्यक्ति की मैं पति हूँ, मैं
I am a
फलाना-
husband of so and so person, or I am wife of so and so
ये
person.
सारी क्या है?
What is this?
सब देहात्माभिमान से आते हैं।
This is coming because of our abhiman, our ego.
शुद्ध जीवात्मा की
But
संपर्क किसमें है?
our pure soul has got relationship with Bhagwan.
हम कृष्ण के लिए करना है। ये हमारी परिचय है।
That is our
वो दासत्व
परिचय.
वाद सेवा के छोड़कर
कोई-
हम संसार में आकर के भटकते रहे।
Sometimes they leave
और
this.
मृत्यु के पश्चात सब कुछ हम छोड़ के चले गए।
And we came with nothing, and when we die, also we will die without nothing.
हैं?
But the nature of the Maya is
हमें इस संसार में किसी प्रकार फुटबॉल की भांति बस ठीक करते जा रहे हैं। उसके बाद एक बार एक बार
because we are just getting so absorbed in this material life.
अरे आप लोग कहीं क्रम करो, बात करो तो पता नहीं है। फुटबॉल की भांति
Like a flower.
मैं एक बार किक करते उस तरफ चले जाते हैं, फिर किक करते
The Maya is always kicking you. you know, like a football. Sorry, not flower, football.
यही है संसार।
This is the nature of this material life.
पानी तो सब यहीं पर रह जाएगा।
All the money, wealth, whatever you have
हजार
will
हम सुन
remain
रहे हैं,
here.
तो हमारी चेतनता नहीं आ रही।
But if we listen to this so many times, but still we don't have that inner realization. We know, we hear,
चेतनता नहीं आ
but we don't get this chaitana, means realization.
रही। ठीक उसी प्रकार
That
श्रीवास के पुत्र के द्वारा
like that, Srivas Thakur, the son was giving siksha.
इन्द्रजित पुत्रम के कोइलो ज्ञानेर कथन आपन हिंदू भाई कोइलो श्रीवास नंदन कवि तो कोइला का भक्ति वरदान उच्छिष्ट ज्ञानायने कोइलो सम्मान। इसके पश्चात चैतन्य महाप्रभु समस्त भक्तों कृपा करेंगे।
He also gave a lot of kripa to all the bhaktas,
और विशेष करके
and speciality
जो भातुस्पुत्री
and Narayani. So he gave special respect. He gave special respect to the daughter of
चैतन्य महाप्रभु कैसे कृपा की अपने उच्छिष्ट प्रसाद जो है जब छोटी जी
to Narayani.
महाप्रभु
To Narayani, Mahaprabhu used to say, Narayani, can you dance? Then Narayani used to dance when she was a very young girl. She was very special to Mahaprabhu. And she was very dear to Mahaprabhu. And she used to go and collect Ganga Jal and used to serve Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu, how was he doing so kripa? Whoever was serving Srivas Thakur, then Mahaprabhu was doing kripa for them. Like Srivas is there was a Muslim who used to stitch his clothes.
शिवासीर वक्त्रसीर दर्जी जवान प्रभु तारे कराइलो निजरो दर्शन। श्रीवास जी की
Srivas is whoever was, he was a Muslim who used to stitch Srivas Thakur's clothes.
उनके प्रति चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Even him, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave darshan.
देखो
gave kripa.
पागल प्रेम नित्य करे श्री वैष्णव आगल आवे श्री श्रीवासी प्रभु वंशी मांगिलो श्रीवासी विकरे वंशी तुमा गोपी हरि लीलो। एक दिन चैतन्य महाप्रभु
One day, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was in Gopi Bhav,
आवे से प्रभु
and he said, asked to Srivas and said, hey, Srivas, where's my flute? And Srivas said, hey, Prabhu, gopis, the gopis have stolen your flute. In this katha, Mahaprabhu listened to this katha. How did the gopis steal the flute? There is a leela of a Bansi Chor. Who is two things are very, very dear to Krishna. Are one is peacock feather and one is flute. She says Nandan Braj Krishna never is without flute or his peacock feather. But one day there was he was taking rest in one kunj, and he had a flute in the hand and he fell asleep. But actually he started to snore, but actually he was not asleep, but he just started to pretend that he's sleeping and he was snoring. So gopis thought, "Arey, he is in deep sleep." So the gopis went very slowly, like a cat. You know the cat, how the cat moves. So like that, slowly, very, very slowly, went
क्या
there
एक्चुअली कृष्ण सोए हुए थे?
and to see, just to make sure, yes, is this Krishna really sleeping?
देखा था हाँ कृष्ण तो सोए हुए थे।
And she looked and she thought, Krishna is sleeping. Very slowly,
कृष्ण के हाथ से
she took the bansi away from Krishna's hand and gave it to another gopi, and that gopi went away and gave that flute to another gopi who just went away.
और उनको गर्दन को पकड़ लिया तो हाथ से और उनके साथ चुम्बन आदि
And then Krishna got hold of that gopi by her hand and started to kiss and hug her. This is called Bansi Chori Leela.
इसलिए कहा जाता है ये महाप्रभु जब कृष्ण आवेश में आदेश करके शिवाजी जी करने लगे मेरे बंसी का
So like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was telling Srivas, hey, where is my bansi? So Srivas Thakur said, oh, that bansi gopis have stolen.
वंशी वाद्य गोपी गणे बने आकर्षण दांतवार संगे जैसे वन विभिन्न विहरण ताही मध्य छले ऋतु लीलार वर्णन मधुपान रातोत्सव जल केली कथन बल बल प्रभु बलि सुनि सुनि के उल्लास शिवास कहने तभी राज रतिर विलास। इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Like this, Chaitanya Prabhu was in a How Krishna Chaitanya he told Srivas Thakur that please I want to hear Krishna's Leela, so speak about Krishna's other Leelas. So how you played the flute and you stole their heart? In all together in the rasa stale, you know. Like Srivas started to recite all this Vrindavan Leela, and Mahaprabhu was in very ecstasy. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, and he's in Advaita Acharya's, then the second listening to all the Srivasa, all the Brija Lisa, then he was absorbed in Rukmani. Like that, took part is Durga, Lakshmi and Haladini Shakti. And he gave prema. Here when you say Durga, the Durga in this Bhoma Jagat, not that Durga, not in this material world. Yogmaya. In Chitti Jagat, in transcendental world, that Durga is a Prakash of Radharani. Yogamaya. एक ब्राह्मणी आसी धरिल चरणे धूली से लय बार बार देखिया प्रभु दुख होइल अपार। एक दिन महाप्रभु one day Mahaprabhu
नृत्यावेश में
he was dancing.
एक समय एक ब्राह्मण स्त्री जो है
Then one Brahmin's one wife of a Brahmin came and touched Mahaprabhu's feet, and she kept on. Then she started to take the dust from Mahaprabhu's feet again and again.
प्रातःकाले भक्त सभी घरे गया गेला। और महाप्रभु
And Mahaprabhu immediately he ran to Ganga and had a bath.
और फिर महाप्रभु
Then
विजय आचार्य के घर में आकर के
and
रात
then
लगे।
like he jumped
और प्रातःकाल
in the Ganges to counteract the sinful activities of that woman.
गोपी गोपी नाम लो एक शरण भैया एक पूर्व आई लो प्रभु के देखते गोपी गोपी नाम सुने लाली लो बोली गई।
Then that night,
कृष्ण नाम ना लो के
Lord stayed at the house of Vijay Acharya. And in the morning, the Lord took all his devotees and returned home. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and there is Radha, he was in his Radha Bhav. Then Radha is saying,
वो असित कृष्ण के साथ हमें किसी प्रकार मित्रता नहीं है।
like Radha is saying, I have no friendship, I don't want any friendship with Krishna. He was, so Mahaprabhu was in this in this bhav. Jalpal, Chitrapal, all, yeah.
और महाप्रभु उसी भाव में आविष्ट हो
So Mahaprabhu was in that bhav.
कोई गोपी के पुरानी गोपी गोपी नाम करो ये गोपी तुम मुझे इस स्थान से लेकर चलो।
He said, hey Gopi, take me from this place. So Radharani is telling, hey Gopi, take me out. I don't want to stay with this hypocrite, duplicate Krishna. He's outside black and he's inside black. That's that Gopi's name. Mahaprabhu started to recite one Gopi's name. One Pandit. There's a Brahmin Pandit. He said, he came to Mahaprabhu. So the Brahmin said, Nimai, why are you chanting Gopi Gopi name? Why are you not chanting Krishna's name? If you chant Krishna's name, then you can deliver the living entities. Mahaprabhu. When Mahaprabhu heard this, like in Brahma Gita, Lord Krishna got all the avatars, you know, that Krishna took. Then the gopis are, there is a stuti in Brahma Gita that how he said, hey Brahma, you are coming here. Your Prabhu is your Prabhu, means is Krishna. We know what he's like. He's Jal Chapat. He's a hypocrite and duplicit. Like how many births? It's not only in this birth, in how many different births he's like that. When he was Ram, when he took Ram, शिकार करे, hunter is always hunting the animals or birds. But hunting birds, but he actually the hunter who is killing the monkeys will never consume the monkey's flesh. But what did your Prabhu do in the Ram avatar? He killed Bali. He threw the arrow from the. First he did the Mitrata, and he made Mitra with the, but his brother, Bali, his brother, he killed, and then he said, I'm a like I keep my promises. Did he actually keep his promise? Raghu.
प्राण जाए
Jai.
और वचन न जाए।
Jai.
रघुकुल की रीति क्या है?
What is the
अपने सत्ता
nature
पालन के लिए
for his?
सदा सर्वदा दिनबद्ध रहेंगे।
He's very firm.
मैं क्षत्रिय हूँ।
He's saying he's Kshatriya. Ram came in a Kshatriya
क्षत्रिय का
school.
धर्म क्या है?
What is the dharma of a Kshatriya? To fight. To fight. To fight. You fight in front. You don't fight from behind. In the Shastra it says, in the Kshatriyas, the karma is to fight. But you have to fight opposite, like face to face. Not from behind. This is the dharma of a Kshatriya.
क्या बोलते हैं सब? क्या टाइप बोलते हैं ये?
हाँ.
अरे मध्य में जो किया था, जो अमेरिकी क्या बोले, पाकिस्तान के ऊपर, सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक,
Surgical strike.
इसका मतलब आगे पता नहीं हाँ, बोले सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक नहीं, हैं? हाँ, होता है।
I don't even know what surgical strike is.
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, क्या बोलते हैं? हैं? घुस के पिटाई को, भाग गया, छुप गया।
If somebody is left,
चूहा यदि बिल में छुप जाए,
like chua, like a rice, a mouse,
घुस करके उसको
मार दे.
हमारा जैसा नहीं हुआ था, पाकिस्तान हमारे जमीन में घुस कर आपके पास
Oh dear, he started.
हमारा विमान को गिरा के चला गया, जो विमान को।
हाँ, वही तो बता रहे हैं ना।
और वो बता रहे हम उसके बाद इधर ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया था, पाकिस्तान अरब देशों में पाकिस्तान ना बदनाम कर दिया।
Okay, so he's talking about Pakistan, how their name Kshatriya is like, what's Kshatriya? Like he's talking about Kshatriya.
में अन्य बोल रहा है। ये रामचंद्र ने किया क्या?
So what did Ramchandra
क्षत्रिय
do?
धर्म पालन किया?
Did he really follow the Kshatriya's dharma? Radhaji is saying,
अरे तुम्हारे कुछ राम अवतार है, तुम्हारे प्रभु के राम अवतार,
your avatar, in the Ram avatar,
तुम्हारे प्रभु की
he's telling the bumblebee, yo Prabhuji, he's not saying Krishna's name, but he's saying, yo Prabhuji, when in his Ram avatar, he's saying he's Kshatriya,
क्षत्रिय, और क्षत्रिय के धर्म पालन नहीं
but he didn't follow the Kshatriya's dharma. How?
शत्रु के जो है
The Chatru, the enemy,
मानना है कैसे?
how should you kill the enemy? You should kill him face to face.
पीठ दिखाने वाले व्यक्ति
If somebody is on the back, you cannot kill somebody from behind.
क्षत्रिय जो है
Or fight, not kill, fight not from behind.
बालक के नहीं, वृद्ध के नहीं,
Even and also the dharma is they should not kill children or older people, older ladies or women.
जो भाग रहे चलो उसके बोले
Correct.
घोड़े के पीछे
So if somebody is running,
चैलेंज करते आ जाओ,
you have to challenge.
यदि माता के स्तन पान किया
You have so you have
और तुम्हारे प्रभु ने
come in front of me and fight. Don't run away from me. So that's what a Kshatriya would say. You and he killed the Bali. How did he kill Bali? From the back. Then first the two brothers Sugriv and Bali, they fought. He made them fight. And Bali was very strong. That Bali, he was very, very strong. So he beat his brother Sugriv so much. And Sugriv said, Rama, you gave me vachan, you gave me promise. You said to your friend, you're everything. So why did you do this to me? Then Ram said, hey Sugriv, what can I do? To me, you both brothers look so alike. I didn't realize who is who. I didn't realize where my arrow would fall. That's why I'm giving you Vijay Mala. He put a garland on him. On Sugriv, and he put a garland on Sugriv. Hey. Then there was a Yuddha between Sugriv and Bali. So what did Ram do? Ram threw his arrow and hit him on the back of
दो
Bali.
भाई युद्ध कर रहे थे
When the
और
brother was fighting,
बाली के ऊपर
what did
बाण
Ram
चलाया
do?
कैसे?
How did he throw the arrow at Bali
ये
from
युद्ध की रीति
back?
नहीं है। क्षत्रिय कुल की ये रीति नहीं है।
That is not the dharma of, that is not the rules and regulation of Kshatriya.
ये बिल्कुल गोपेंद्र
So Radharani is saying that that's not, he broke the rules and regulation.
प्रियम अर्जितम प्रियार्जितम हाँ
Sriyajitam.
मैं जीत गया
So he said, oh, he won the
जीत
straight.
करके क्या कर रहे हैं
What did he do when he won the straight? And then
and
he's going in the forest with his wife. Is that a niyam? Is that a rules? You know,
सन्यासी के भांति ब्रह्मचारी के भांति
he took life.
अपने स्त्रियों को लेकर के चल रहे
He's going in the forest as a brahmachari or a sannyasi, but then he's taking his wife with him,
और भी क्या रखा
and also in his hand, and also had a bow and arrow. That is virud, that is against the law.
आप बताओ
Now you tell us,
छल कपट नहीं
isn't it chal kapat?
अरे तुम ऐसे सुंदर रूप बनाया
And you
तुम्हारे रूप देख करके एक स्त्री नारी तुम्हारे
And-
पर बनी हो।
And you came up in such a beautiful form, beautiful roop. The weakness of the ladies is when somebody is such a beautiful roop, then the ladies fall for you. So why did you create this roop, this beautiful, handsome roop, form, that when the ladies, when they see you, they fall for you. Then they want to marry you. They fall for you.
की तो स्वाभाविक स्वभाव है
This is the nature of the ladies. Wherever they see some beautiful, very handsome man, they fall in love and they want to get married.
तुम विवाह करना नहीं चाहते
Acha, you didn't want to get married.
आप बोल देते
Then
मैं विवाह नहीं करूँ
then you should speak out and say, I don't want to marry.
लक्ष्मण बोले देखो मेरे
And then
साथ
Lakshman,
करो,
they
और
said
तुमको
Lakshman.
दासी बनना पड़ेगा
So she wanted to do that. What's her name? She went to Lakshman.
लक्ष्मण बोले मैं जो दास हूँ मैं
I am Das. I am a servant of my Ram.
भी
If you marry me, then also you will become servant.
फिर जाओ फिर रामचंद्र के पास आ गया दोबारा
So then she came to
रामचंद्र बोले
Ram,
देखो मैं तो व्रत धारण कर रहा एक पत्नी व्रत धारण
and I have also taken a vow to take only one wife.
कितने समय सीता जी आई
So I'm already married with Sita Devi.
और सीता जी बोले यही हमारी पत्नी है।
So Sita is my wife.
तुम तो शादी नहीं करो
So as long as she's
इसलिए खा
there.
जाते हैं।
So
और सुपर्णखा ने इसलिए भी
Surpanka
अपने
said,
स्वरूप में आकर के राक्षस-
she came in her Rakshas demon form
और इतने समय
and
भगवान
said-
रामचंद्र की इशारा से लक्ष्मण ने उनकी नाक कान को-
and then what did Lakshman do? Lakshman cut her nose.
क्या ये क्षत्रिय धर्म है क्या
Is that a Kshatriya dharma?
हैं? शादी करना नहीं कर छोड़ दो
Okay, if you didn't want to marry her, if you don't want to marry her, then you should have let her go.
हैं? ऐसे। और तुम्हारे प्रभु ने ऐसे की।
But your Prabhu did this. What did he do?
और भी एक जन्म की ये तो राम जन्म की हो गया सुनो और कथा
And then
राम
Ram,
बोल के भ्रमर राम
and-
बोल के सुनो
hey Brahma, listen, open your ears and listen.
तुम्हारे प्रभु के दूत के रूप में आए हो
You
मुझे
come,
मनाने के लिए।
you come in
सुन
the
उनके
to pacify
मामा
me
की कथा सुन।
in the group of a bee.
बलि महाराज
But
के
look
पास
at Bali
बोले,
Maharaj,
मुझे राम-
Vaman Bhagwan's that he came to Bali Maharaj.
ऐसे ही मैं ना बोलूं।
Even there, he said he wants first he showed these small feet, like small feet.
और जब बलि महाराज
And then one Bali Maharaj,
आचमन करके
and then he
बोले,
said,
राम,
I only want 3 steps, and he showed really small feet. And when Bali Maharaj,
हाँ, त्रिविक्रम
and then when Bali Maharaj said, you asked for donation from the Bali Maharaj, then what you did from a very small feet, your feet, you expanded that feet so large,
यही तो
big.
स्तुति की बात है।
So that's not fair.
छल कपट
That is chal kapat.
अच्छा बात सही है कि
That's true, isn't it?
बड़े वस्तु में छोटा वस्तु रहता है फिर छोटे वस्तु में बड़ा कैसे रहता है
Like a big thing can stay in a small thing, but a small thing, a big thing cannot stay in a small thing, but a small thing can stay in a big thing. So like he was a Brahman roop, he came as a Brahman roop, Brahman. So Brahmins should be santosh, should be satisfied. But when Bali Maharaj started to donate, but what did you do? You took everything from him. With one foot, you took the whole universe and the kingdom and the second one. And then where would you put the third foot? And the third foot. Yeah. Men have two legs. That's what they are told. Intelligence. Purshu. Animals have four legs. Manusya is Dipal. Means two-legged. Pasu, animals. Chatuspati. Chatuspati means four legs. Chatuspati. So like if a human is foolish like animal, so she's saying, and he said teen baar third. Even three legs. Who has three steps? Which tell me which animal has three legs? And what did your Prabhu do? In third leg, where did he put the third foot? And they put the third foot and said, now tell me where can I put this third foot? He took everything. And look at Bali Maharaj, so simple and so humble. And he said, and Bali Maharaj said, you've taken everything from me. Now what I haven't given you is my head. So now Prabhuji, you put your third foot on my head. Then Vamandev said, what? Okay, he put the foot on his head, but he pushed it so hard that he went and pushed him to Patal Lok. Is that how it should be? Is that how you behave? Your Prabhu behaved. So your Prabhu is so chal kapat. So he's saying, no, it's not actually your Prabhu's fault. It's Krishna, it's Kale. So black. No, when somebody is very black, I get very angry when I see anything black. Koyal is black. Koyal Chapal is also. Koyal is a chal kapat. You know, everybody praises the Koyal. Koyal. You'll praise the Koyal. Koyal doesn't give anything to. Koyal doesn't. Sorry, I didn't get it. Koyal doesn't steal the wealth. But crow. Like when the Koyal sings, we have this nice. We want to listen to that. Yeah. But when the crow sings, ka, we don't like that sound. But when the Koyal sings, beautiful sound. People praise, they praise the Koyal for the beautiful sound. So if you listen to Koyal, they are chal kapat. What does the Koyal do? If you look, what the kawa does, Ghosla, they bring one little branch, little sticks, and make a nest. And what the crow makes that, but the female koyal, what does do? She lays eggs there, and then when the male koyal gets, then the koyal
क्या करते हैं?
What does the koel do?
कोयल के सारे अंडा को नीचे गिरा देते हैं।
He throws all the eggs, you know, in the
और
crow's
लेकर के
eggs.
स्वयं अपने अंडा देख करके चले जाते हैं। कोई जब घूम करके आ
Then
जाते हैं,
when
देखो
Sorry,
उसको कोई ये सोचता है ये मेरा ही अंडा है
okay,
और
the
मेरे
koel
अंडा
thinks.
समझ करके उसके पालन पोषण करते रहते हैं।
Acha, the koel thinks that these are my eggs and sits on that eggs. But then when the bachas, when the eggs hatch, and the female koel is cool.
बच्चा से अंडा से बच्चा जो निकले ना
What, yeah,
कोयल के पास चले जाते हैं।
and they went on to koel.
इतने दिन तक मैंने
He said, I'm the one. He said, he you know, yeah, so he hatched all these eggs and the babies came, but then when the koel sound says, coo, then these babies go away. So the male koel is saying, I'm the one who hatched and sat on the eggs. But now the baby birds went away with the female koel.
जितने भी काले हैं
Whoever is very black
सभी धुत
is just, I don't want to see anything that's black. Everything black is dusk.
कोयल क्या करते हैं? कोयल की भी निंदा करते हैं।
That's also koel is black.
तो कोयल की निंदा किया।
It's Linda. He's criticized the koel. Then she's criticizing the female koel. Like the lady, she was taking some ingredients to do Devi Puja in a plate. All the puja's ingredients, like fruit, mala, flowers. And the koel would put, he would snatch, the koel would snatch all the samagris, all the ingredients, puja. And then not only that, he will also, like, he would beak, like with his beak, he would, hit them. Whose plate you eat, and you hit them as well. So he's saying, Radha is saying in that dasha, everything that's black, I don't want to see. Radhaji is not looking at the fault of Krishna. He's seen the Mandasa. In the Mandasa, he's seen the action of fault in action of Krishna. He's saying, hey Sakhis, whatever the tamal trees are that are black, tamal trees in the Vrindavan, go and paint them white. I don't know. Kale, people, let's not take. All so like Radhika is in Chitra Jalpa Dash, and here Mahaprabhu is also in that mood. And he started to say Krishna's name, Gopi, Gopi. So he was chanting, and that Pandit came and he said, oh, why are you chanting? He said that, why? Are in which Shastras is written to chant Gopi, Gopi's name? So chant Krishna, Krishna's name.
जब से चैतन्य महाप्रभु निमाई गया से आए अब से उल्टा सिद्धांत मुझसे जा रहे हैं अरे सारे वेद पुराण उपनिषद में समस्त क्या कृष्ण नाम जप करो कहाँ लिखा है गोपी नाम जप करो
So he's saying here in all Shastras, where does it say chant Gopi Nam?
गोपी गोपी क्यों जप करते कृष्ण
So why are you chanting Gopi Gopi Nam?
महाप्रभु उस समय का नारायण जी उस दिन को उन्माद दशा में भाग में विवाहित कृष्ण नाम सुनते ही महाप्रभु ने क्या किया
When listening to Krishna's name, so he got angry with a stick. He started to run behind that Brahmin. You are a spy. You are a spy of Krishna.
सुनी कृदय वैया कृष्ण है दशोत्कार ठेंगा गया उठिला प्रभु पड़ुआ मारिवार भाई मलाई पड़ुआ प्रभु पासी धाय आस्ते आस्ते भक्तगण प्रभुरी रहाय महाप्रभु ने खेती लट्ठी लेकर के
Mahaprabhu took a hold with a stick and he started to run after that Brahmin student.
प्रभु रे शांत करी आने निज घरे बोलुआ पढ़ाइया केनो बोलुआ सभारे बोलुआ सहस्र तहा पढ़े ठाई प्रभु वृत्तांत दिज कहे कहाँ जाए है और वो बोलुआ जो है
Student, the Brahman, he called all the Brahman.
ये निमाई
Hey, what's happened to Nimai?
पहले तो निमाई ठीक था
First, before Nimai was so good, I don't know which Santa Mahatma he's taken, or who's met, and what Diksha and Mahamantra is taken, and then he's doing everything opposite to the Shastra. I told him to say, speak. I told him to do Krishna's name, what the Shastra says. But what did he do? What did he do? What did he say? And he started to beat me with a stick. I'm a Brahmin. How should you beat a Brahmin? In that assembly, when he was criticizing Mahaprabhu, then everybody started to criticize the Mahaprabhu.
सब देश भ्रष्ट कइला एकला निमाई ब्राह्मण मारिते चाहे धर्म भय नाई निमाई के देश को भ्रष्ट कर
So Nimai is spoiling everything.
और यहाँ तक भी ब्राह्मण की भी
Even he started to beat the Brahmin.
कोई डर नहीं
He's not afraid. He has got no fear. He's got no fear of the religious principles.
हम लोग दोबारा यदि ऐसे निमाई करें उनको भी हम पिटाई नहीं करें हैं देखते हैं कौन मनुष्य हैं आते हैं कौन मनुष्य क्या कर सकते हैं हम देखते हैं
What can we say?
कौन लोग थे
Who would stop
ब्राह्मण लोग मीटिंग में ऐसे बोलते थे अच्छा
all the Brahmin?
प्रभु निंदाय सवार बुद्धि है नाश सुपरित विद्या कारुण नामय प्रकाश तथा विदाम्बी पूर्वन नम्र नहीं होय जहाँ प्रभु निंदा हंसी से कराए इसी प्रकार वो पूर्व ब्राह्मण
This Brahman, he started to criticize Mahaprabhu.
सर्व गोसाई जानी सवार दुर्गति घरे बसी चिंतन तासवरा अव्याहति जत अध्यापकार तान शिष्यगण धर्मी कर्मी तपनिष्ठ निंदक दुर्जन এই সব লোক নিন্দা অপরাধ হইতে আমিও না লইতে ভক্তি না পারে লইতে यहाँ पर महाप्रभु मन मन चिंतन
Here Mahaprabhu is saying,
ये देखो इस अध्यापक और उनके शिष्य
all the sishyas, the students, tapasya, they are aparadhis. Because of aparadh, that's why you don't have ruchi for a naam. If you don't have ruchi in the naam, then you have to understand that we have done Vaishnav aparadh. So that's why be careful with aparadh. Then Mahaprabhu is thinking, Mahaprabhu started to think, I've come here to deliver the world. But what are these they are doing? But also I still have to deliver them as a papi, sinful, sinners. I still have to deliver them. Mahaprabhu started to think, how will they do pranam to me? How will they respect me? then their sins will be destroyed.
और फिर भक्ति में आते हैं।
Then they come back into
प्रणाम
bhakti.
करने के लिए शास्त्र में लिखा है।
By
प्रणाम
praying
करने का
pranam,
तात्पर्य क्या है?
what is the fruit of by doing pranam? When you do pranam, then all your sinful activities are destroyed.
तीन बार प्रणाम करो।
Actually, in a day, one day, you should pay pranam to a Vaishnava 3 times, morning, afternoon, and in the evening.
जानने और अनजान में भी तो वही जाता है। हैं? आज
Knowingly.
समालोचना कर दिया क्या हो गया? इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why I say
प्रणाम करने से
knowingly and unknowingly we do pap. So by doing pranam, then all these paps are destroyed.
আমাকে প্রণতি করে হয় পাপক হয় তবে তিহারে ভক্তি লয় দে লয় কি লয় মরে নিন্দা করে যে না করে নমস্কার এসব জীবে অবশ্য করিব উদ্ধার महाप्रभु मणिमन चिंता कर रहे हैं
Mahaprabhu is saying
मुझे निंदा भी करते
they are even criticizing them. They are not even praying.
उद्धार में करो
Then even if they criticize him, they don't pay me obeisances, that I still have to deliver them. Then what should I do that they will do pranam, they will pay obeisances to me?
एक बार कृष्ण की प्रणाम कर लेते हैं
Even if you do pranam to Krishna, then your papa are nast, your papa are destroyed.
भक्ति के भाजन
And then you start your
इसलिए यहाँ पर महाप्रभु
bhakti. So Mahaprabhu is thinking,
अतएव स्वामी करिव सन्नास करिव सन्नास बुद्धि मोदे मोरे प्रणत होइब प्रणिते हवे यार अपराध खाय निर्मल हृदय भक्ति कराइब उदय महाप्रभु यहाँ पर विचार करते
Mahaprabhu is saying,
हैं मैं जी सन्नास ले
if I accept sannyas,
सन्नास बुद्धि में मुझे प्रणाम कर
by me being sannyas, at least see me as sannyas, they will pay respect to me, they will pay obeisances to me.
सन्यासी को देख करके ये प्रणाम नहीं करें
If you don't do pranam and he says, then you have to go to hell. If you don't pay obeisances to a sannyas, at least whoever they may be, that at least by seeing sannyas, that they will pay obeisances. Sannyas don't sit on a lower platform. Sannyas sits on a higher platform. Then said, why sannyas? Even Mahaprabhu said that sannyas shouldn't stay on the floor. Sometimes, the sannyasis used to sit on the floor, on the ground, and but Mahaprabhu said sannyasis should sit on an upper platform, on the asana. Even Mahaprabhu said, he's so kripalu, he's so merciful. Is there anybody else as merciful as Mahaprabhu? Namo Mahavadaniya. Namo Mahavadaniya Krishna Prema Pradaya Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gaurata Vishamana. What is the speciality of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? That he's also, like he also want to see who is a... See, Mahaprabhu's speciality is even who are really offenders, he wants to save them. But what is ours? Ours is like if they are offenders, we want to say, oh, let them drown in the water. So that's why Mahaprabhu is Namo Mahavadaniya. It's this mercy, or has never been seen any other avatar. The Mahaprabhu is thinking, at least they will do pranam to me. So if I take sannyas, then they will at least they will do pranam and pay obeisances. If you do pranam to sannyasi, then your chit becomes purified. your heart becomes
আর
purified.
কোনো উপায় নাই এই যুক্তি সার এই দৃঢ় যুক্তি করে প্রভু আছে ঘরে কেশব ভারতে আইল নদিয়া নগরে इसी प्रकार विचार करके
Then he was thinking, and thought,
केशव भारती पधार
and
केशव
Keshav
भारती आइल
Bharti,
नदिया नगरे प्रभु तारे नमस्कार कइल निमंत्रण दीक्षा दिया तारे कइल निवेदन प्रभु तारे नमस्कार करी कइल निमंत्रण दीक्षा कराई तारे कइल निवेदन তুমি তো ঈশ্বর বট সাক্ষাৎ নারায়ণ কৃপা করি করময় সংসার মোচন আমি একদিন তো বললাম কেশব ভারতী আছে
Keshav Bharti.
আমি একদিন বলছিলাম আজ केशव भारती आइल नदिया नगरे प्रभु तारे नमस्कारी कइल निमंत्रण भिक्षा कराइल तारे कइल निवेदन तुमी तो ईश्वर बट साक्षात नारायण कृपा करी करो मोरे संसार मोचन
साक्षात नारायण का तो
भगवत स्वरूप भगवत स्वरूप
The Bhagavad Swarup.
जैसे गुरु की क्या कार्य साक्षात
What is Guru? Guru, we say Sakshat is a representative of Bhagavad Swarup. And you are directly. Keshava Bharati is saying to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that you are directly Lord Narayan. Therefore, please be merciful to me and deliver me from this material bondage. What do we say, Guru? Yes, the Guru. So, Keshavji, Bharati is saying that you are Antaryami. You are
स्वतंत्र नहीं हामी एत बलि बालदेव गोसाई काटवाते गेला महाप्रभु ताजय सन्नास करिला संगे नित्यानंद चंद्रशेखर आचार्य मुकुंद दत्त इतने गइल सर्व कार्य এই আদি লীলার গইল সূত্র গণন নিত্যান আদি লীলা গইল সূত্র গণন বিস্তার লবণ্য বর্ণিলাইয়া দাস বৃন্দাবন যশোদানন্দন গইল সচিদানন্দন চতুর্বিধ ভক্ত ভাব করে আস্বাদন সমাদুর্য রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রেম আস্বাদিতে রাধা ভাবঙ্গি ভঙ্গি করিয়াছে ভালো মতে গোপী ভাব যাতে প্রভু ধরিয়াছে একান্ত ব্রজন নন্দন মানে আপনার একান্ত গোপিকার ভাবে নিশ্চয় ভজন বিনা অন্যত্র না হয় শ্যাম সুন্দর ঝিকিপিচ্ছা গুঞ্জা বিভূষণ গোপবে ত্রিভঙ্গি মুরলী মদন ইয়া ছাড়ি কৃষ্ণ যদি হয় অন্যকার गोपिकार भाव नहीं जाए निकट तहार गोपियों के विषय वैशिष्ट बता रहे
here they saying that the gopis, how gopis had one pointed nista for Krishna. Then Krishna, when he didn't have a peacock feather and he was in the three paga, gopis didn't pay that much respect. You know, where if the Krishna didn't have the flute or three bent font in the peacock feather, if he was in a different roop, then they didn't pay that much respect. प्रजापति तनम पावन भयो वेश 278 270 there 280 280 okay Prajapati tanam. So we've done up to from text 222 to 280.